Hello and welcome. Are you looking for a natural and effective way to support your liver health? Look no further than Milk Thistle Oil. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Milk Thistle Oil. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Milk Thistle Oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because Milk Thistle Oil has been the subject of some fakes. I left the Activation Products website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Milk Thistle Oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Milk Thistle Oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Milk Thistle Oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is, yes, Milk Thistle Oil is derived from the seeds of the milk thistle plant, a powerful antioxidant known for its liver-protecting properties. This oil contains high levels of silymarin, a compound that has been shown to promote liver health by supporting healthy liver function and protecting liver cells from damage. Not only does Milk Thistle Oil support liver health, but it also has a range of other benefits for your overall well-being. It can help to lower cholesterol levels, promote healthy digestion, and even support healthy skin. But why choose Milk Thistle Oil over other liver supplements on the market? Here are just a few reasons. Milk Thistle Oil is 100% natural and free from harmful chemicals or additives. Our Milk Thistle Oil is made using a cold-pressed extraction process, which helps to preserve the oil's nutrients and potency. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply add a few drops to your food or drink. Milk Thistle Oil is safe for people of all ages and has no known side effects. Investing in Milk Thistle Oil is an investment in your health. By supporting your liver health, you can boost your immune system, increase energy levels, and improve overall well-being. Plus, with our high-quality, all-natural formula, you can trust that you're getting the best possible product. With Milk Thistle Oil you will get the following benefits: supports healthy liver function, promotes glowing, healthy skin, contains powerful antioxidants, lowers LDL cholesterol levels, promotes thicker, fuller hair. Of course it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, Milk Thistle Oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as silymarin, omega-6, omega-9, and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for Milk Thistle Oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Milk Thistle Oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Milk Thistle Oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Milk Thistle Oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Milk Thistle Oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Milk Thistle Oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.